dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
What's going on? Hey guys, excuse my face. So I've been home for some time, but we had to do some grocery shopping and the boys had to go get their haircuts. So we just went to the grocery store and I'm gonna show you what I got. Sorry that I didn't record at all. This is the first time recording and it's 3 p.m. I had to load up this table. My boyfriend gave me his old table. I could only get 3 of the chairs into my tiny car. So I will get the one chair next time I'm over there, but it looks so much better in here. But I'm gonna show you what. Alright, so I got some sour cream because this week we're gonna be making some tacos and also for chili. I got the Meijer brand diced tomatoes. Let me turn on the light.
And don't forget you have to order pizza.
Yeah. I got the Meijer brand diced tomatoes. It's the same carb count as the Rotel. So I picked these up. They were only 29 cents a can. So I got 4 of them. Picked up some tomato paste. That, again, those are for the chili. Some heavy whipping cream. 2 packs of the lunch meat. I got the turkey breast and the cooked ham. These hot dogs were on sale for $1, so I got 3 packs of these for the kids. I got myself some more Starbucks iced coffee and some unsweetened tea for myself. This was actually on sale for $1.88. These were on sale, 20% off for $2.40. I'm going to be making some breakfast burritos for the kids. 2 packs of those. Got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs for chicken noodle soup and some chicken breasts. 4 packs of eggs, hard-boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, mostly for the soup that I'm gonna make. Some string cheese. These are for me for breakfast burritos. These 2 packs of bacon were 2 for $6. They were actually cheaper than the Meijer brand. Tiffany, get your, what do you got going on over here? 2 packs of cream cheese. I got the big thing of almond milk unsweetened. This is just the original, not the vanilla. 2 things of cheese. I got medium cheddar and mozzarella. Some pork chorizo again for the chili. These were such a good deal. This is like 4 pounds, just over, almost 4.5 pounds for $7.75, and then the same thing. So I got 2 big old things of meat. That's for tacos, for chili, for whatever we wanted to make with that. Got some green peppers, some iceberg lettuce, and some carrots. This is for the soup. And I think that's all I got that's keto related. We did get, now tomorrow's the first day of school. We got some juices, some ramen. We forgot to get bagels.
We did.
We have some bagels though.
Okay, well they got cream cheese for that. They got their yogurt, bread, and then these are for tacos for them and for breakfast burritos, and then some cereal. You could already put the milk away?
Yeah.
And some milk. And then I had $20 Kohl's cash, so I needed a new beauty blender. This was
Keep it away from
$2.40. Yeah, no kidding. My cat ate the last one a while ago and I've been using it. And then I've never used this foundation, but I kind of wanted to try a foundation stick. So this Pure, I think that's how you say it, I don't know, is a 4-in-1 foundation stick. I'm gonna try that out. So I only had to pay like $17 for this total. And now I gotta clean up all these bags. But yeah, this is our old chair, so we can have 4 chairs until I get the other one back, but much nicer table than what I had before. It's kind of weird because it's round and not square, triangle, whatever. Rectangle. I can't talk. It does expand, but we don't have the middle piece. But Chris said his mom might have the middle piece, so we'll see. But this is fine how it is for now. I'm fine with it. I think it looks nice in here. All right.
And he has a dew claw.
Oh, and when I got home, poor Link, he was so excited to see me. He was so excited. He bent his dew claw and ripped it straight off. It was bleeding. He's okay. You okay, huh, puppies? Yeah. All right, I'm going to get this cleaned up and I'm going to start cooking. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am meal prepping. It's not a huge meal prep. I'm only making a couple of things. I'm cooking some chicken up for dinner tomorrow. I was gonna make a chicken noodle soup, but I forgot chicken broth and I don't feel like going back out. But what I am prepping is a whole bunch, and I'm sorry about makeup face. I am prepping a whole bunch of breakfast burritos for the kids. So I have gotten a lot of eggs and then 2 packs of this sausage that I'm going to cook up while the chicken is browning and sauteing in the Instapot. And I'm going to cook sausage in one of these big old pots and eggs in the other. So what I did was I poured about half a cup of heavy whipping cream down in here. I did season the chicken. You can season it however way you want. And then I have these frozen fresh green beans. I'm literally just going to throw them in here and I'm going to cook it. Like, this is an easy, no hassle. I don't have time. Let's do this. And I have a big pot of eggs cooking so they can all cook at once. I kind of neglected them a minute ago. I need to get back at stirring them. And my sausage is done. I'll check in with you when I start assembling.
Okay.
Alright, so I've laid down some wax paper and then my tortilla. I just take a little pinch of cheese, a little bit of egg. If it's a big piece, I kind of just break it up a little bit. Some sausage. I have a slotted spoon because I did not drain my sausage. And then I don't know, there may be a better way to do this, but this is how I'm doing it. I fold in the sides just a little bit, go up to the top, pull it down, and then I roll it. And then I go down here, and this is basically just to help it hold its form in the freezer. Roll it all the way up. And then I just put it in this bag, this freezer bag. So then when the kids want one, they can just grab it, unroll it, put it on roll it in a paper towel and throw it in the microwave. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this and I'll show you when I'm finished. This is what I got. I got one gigantic bag full, and then this one's halfway full. I was going to make myself some on my carb counter shelves, but I decided against it, and then I just threw the rest into a Tupperware. I'm gonna get this cleaned up and my chicken should be done, and then I'm ordering a pizza for everybody except for me. Here is the chicken with the green beans. Just nice and falling apart, and green beans and that nice sauce. Delicious. Guys, this is dinner. I have not eaten anything today except for my Premier protein shake that I had in my coffee this morning. This is a Dave's Double. This is my own sugar-free ketchup on here. This is a antipasto salad from Hungry Howie's with my own Italian dressing and a Diet Coke. That's dinner. That's the end of today's vlog. I have all that to fold. I'm going to fold this stuff. I'm going to watch some TV. I'm going to eat what I can, and I'm going to get these guys ready for the first day of school back. That didn't make sense. All right, guys. Talk to you tomorrow.